He was sitting on his bed in a dark room, phone in hand, but no idea what to do. He felt like a failure, tired of trying. Everything he tried had failed, and everyone around him seemed to be moving forward except him. He looked in the mirror and whispered, "Is this who I am now? Is this my life? Maybe I'm just hopeless." And believe it or not, that moment can either be the end or the beginning of everything. What makes the difference? Just one decision. In this video, I'll show you how to get out of any phase of frustration you're stuck in, big or small, and I'll share practical steps that could literally change everything, even if your life feels like a complete mess right now. Part 1. Understand frustration. Frustration isn't weakness, it's a signal. It shows up when your expectations are high, but your results are low. It hits hardest when you're giving your all, but nothing seems to work. Feeling frustrated is normal, but the danger is when you believe it's permanent. Remember, what you feel isn't forever, but what you do in that feeling, that's what defines your future. Part 2. The pause isn't the end. So many people hit pause for a year, 2 years, even more. Not because they're failures, but because they're being repositioned. Sometimes life makes you stop so you can rebuild stronger. Keep this in mind. Delay is rejection. Slowness is not stumbling. What's happening to you might actually be happening for you. Part 3. Steps to break through frustration. 1. Acknowledge how you feel. Don't pretend you're okay. Say it out loud. I feel lost. I feel stuck. That's the first step to healing. Denial only makes it worse. 2. Cut off. What's draining? Is social media making you feel less? Take a break. Negative people around? Set some boundaries. 3. Take one tiny action. Go for a 10-minute walk. Clean your desk. Send that one email you've been avoiding. Small moves break big mental blocks. 4. Reconnect with your why. Why did you start in the first place? Write it down. Post it where you can see it every day. 5. Speak to yourself differently. Replace "I'm failing" with "I'm learning." Replace "I can't" with "I'll try again." Final message. The truth you need to hear. Frustration isn't the end. It's a test. The ones who win aren't stronger than you. They just kept going. Don't wait to feel good to move. Move, and the good feeling will follow. Every moment of pain will someday be part of a powerful comeback story. And always remember, it doesn't matter where you are. It matters where you're going. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.